Hello guys, this is T-Port Guides and this is our tutorial on enum, which is also known as enumeration. Before we start, I want to tell you guys a bit about what this data type is used for. This data type is used for limiting the values a variable can contain. For example, we've got a variable called numbers, and we want to be able to only assign 1 to 9 values to this variable. The way we would go along and do that is using these enum data types. I'm going to start off show you guys how to declare this enum data type, and let me just show you guys an example of how it works as well. So I'm going to start it off by doing this. First I'm going to say the type what our variable is going to be, which is enum. Then the name of our variable, let's just call it suits. Let's call it suits. And now we need to say what can suits, the variable suits, what is it limited to, the values that we want to be able to only assign suits with. So I'm going to say hearts. You can also separate your values with the comma. So then I'm going to say clubs, and finally I'm going to say diamonds. And now once I've done that, I would get an error. The reason why that error is that you shouldn't declare this this enum variable within your main class. What you need to do is take it above and put it above your main class. So it should be in the class itself and not in a method within the class. So what we would get, a little message saying the message is not popping up, so it doesn't matter. Let's just take it up, put it above there, and now you should see that all your hearts blue have turned blue. Now what you can do is, let's say we make an instance of this variable suits. So the instance, I'm going to call it suits. I'm going to call it card suits. But before I do that, this has to be capital because above it's capital. Card suits. And now we do that. That's done with our instance. Now I want to assign my instance a value within our suits enum variable. So what I'll do is say card suits is equal to suits dot. Now it should give me an option of what I can assign to it. As you can see, these are the things that I've said it can equal to: diamonds, clubs and hearts. So we can just say that. Now we can end it. Now it's set. So now if we was to, let's say, say use an if statement, say if then this card suits is equal to, with two equal signs, because that's compare. If you don't do that, you're assigning the value on the right hand side of this expression to your card suits, so it would be wrong. So put two equal signs. Let's say if it's equal to hearts, if it's equal to, no, let's just say equal to suits dot hearts, then it should do the following. And the following is just a printout statement. Printout. So system.print system dot print ln, let's just say this is a hearts. So if you run this, then what should happen is that your output should print out hearts. Okay, hope this tutorial helped you guys. Thank you for looking at the tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys soon.